Z. I am here sitting and after completing the course of acupuncture therapy conducted by Acupuncture Institute in Hyderabad, Central Hyderabad, and the organization and the institute did so much effort in maintaining the timings of class. Equipment were available at all times. And here is Dr. Amit Gupta sir from Mumbai, and he is an expert in acupuncture and physiotherapy and physiotherapy, and also many other therapies which are included in this acupuncture institute. So whenever you feel like getting sick and more stressed about your daily life and going away from usual modern medicine and other medical systems, you have to take care